Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. In this video, you're gonna see a whole summer's worth of me working on a gaming PC from start to finish. I have no prior experience, but I thought I wanted to give this a try. So the reason behind me building this gaming PC is actually for my girlfriend. She just graduated from nursing school in Kansas City and plans to move back to St. Louis to work at a hospital there. She's super excited about it, her family's in St. Louis, and I couldn't be more happy for her. Only problem is, St. Louis is 3.5 hours away from Kansas City. So I'm actually building this PC so we can game together and I can get her up to date on all these games. And we can talk and we can really connect over gaming. So as you'll see in this series of videos, I'm starting from scratch. I have no prior experience in building PCs. I'm fairly new to PC gaming in general, but I thought, hey, let's give it a try. So with Reddit, YouTube, comments from you guys, comments from friends, I think I can do this. And I'm excited to surprise my girlfriend with her own PC at the end of the summer. Today is June 11th, 2021. Now, my girlfriend moves back home this coming up Tuesday. So I've got, the whole summer to work on this project. I would like to get it done sooner rather than later, but currently GPU prices are insanely expensive. We're talking thousands of dollars for basically any model. Luckily for me, I have friends with extra parts, so I'm hoping they can help me out. If you guys know anyone that can help, or a discounted store, or hookup, or whatever the case may be, please reach out to me. I would love your help. I literally can't do this alone. So I'm watching videos, I'm reading articles, I'm doing everything to make sure I build a decent PC for my girlfriend. Now, I am in law school, I'm interning right now, I have a part-time job, so I'm pretty stretched thin, and on top of that, kind of stretched for money. So basically, I'm trying to make this PC as affordable as I can, while still making it a great PC so my girlfriend can game on Warzone and World of Warcraft and all of those games. So again, thank you for tuning in, and today we're actually going to start with the case that I bought.
This is the Phanteks Eclipse P360A. It's a budget gaming case that I found on tomshardware.com that got a lot of great reviews. I actually purchased it off Amazon for $79.35, making it pretty affordable. What really drew me to this case were all the great reviews and, not gonna lie, all the pictures of the RGB lights. It actually comes with two 120mm addressable RGB fans, which was super cool. I actually think this is the perfect case for my girlfriend's computer.
Well, thank you guys for tuning in and watching. This is just video one out of a series of videos. Like I said, I'll be going from start to finish building this PC with your help, with Reddit's help, with YouTube videos, with everything. So please, feel free to comment, feel free to message me. Let me know what I need to do, what I need to make sure I do, all that stuff, because like I said, I'm a noob, I don't know any of this. But again, thank you for tuning in. I think my dog wants to say a couple words. What's up, Scar Baby? Oh, wow. Scarlett says, please help. And thanks for watching, guys. Again, I think my next step is to get a motherboard. And I'm gonna keep this plastic over it to keep it safe from dust. I don't know if that's the right thing to do. I think it's the right thing to do. So we'll keep it safe from dust with this plastic covering, and I'll be back with the second video installing that motherboard. Thanks, guys.